Hello and welcome back to the Fire Protection Online YouTube page, and today we're discussing the foil blanket, otherwise known as an emergency thermal blanket. These measure 140 centimetres by 204 centimetres, so they're pretty large.
You may recognise them in the London Marathon when across the finish line they get a medal put over the shoulders and one of these wrapped around the neck. It isn't a cape, it is to stop hypothermia, the body entering shock after a huge feat of endurance.
Another great use for these blankets is when you're broken down on the side of the road. Now, in the event that you happen to be stuck during the night time or even the winter, these blankets help to retain the heat, and all you want to do is just wrap them around your shoulders.
They're actually recommended as part of British standards, and you have to have one of these in your first aid kit because, again, if someone is seriously injured, you need one of these to stop body from entering hypothermia, entering shock, while you wait for emergency services to turn up and deal with the situation for you.
Shall we demonstrate one?
Let's go for it. So, you take the short end foil blanket, and what you do is you wrap it around the patient. Steph is my lovely assistant today. You put it over the shoulders and you put it around the body as tight as you can. And it keeps the heat in as the short stretch starting to feel.
Not sure it goes with my outfit, but that's what we're working with today. It works pretty much immediately, so this is very handy in all conditions.
And luckily, they're pretty cheap as well. They're about £1 to buy one. We also sell these in bulk quantities of 25 and 100 for an even better discount.
And for more information on foil blankets, follow the links below.